How to use Copilot with Flux AI. So if you want to use Copilot with it, what you can do is you can head over and click on this plus new project, and then you can see in here all the projects they have available, and you can see that this created by other people. So if you want to start with a blank project, you can click on this plus new blank project. So I have clicked that, and we have in here our project. So as you can see, it's very blank, and you can add in here some objects like terminal, like you can drag it right around here, and you can add this right here, and you can connect it. So this actually essentially works as a simulation or workstation. Now, if you want to use it with Copilot, you can see in here that we have this Copilot button. You can click on this right here, and then you can ask a question, explain, create, and a lot more. So for example, let's head over and click on this ask a question, and then we have in here this. Just type in at Copilot, and then they also have in here some suggested questions like can you partner up, can you give me recommendations, and a lot more. So just put in here everything. Like for example, how to build a solar panel. Then send it. Just press enter, and then Copilot will think, and then it will reply to you whatever they actually suit for you to be replied to. So just wait for them to actually reply to you, and from there you should be able to talk to them. And as you can see, they have shown us these things, and they have replied with us with this one. So that's how you use Copilot with Flux AI. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.